So we've removed the collar off the arbor, and then the move the moon's inclination cam, and that is numbered for orientation because it has the leap year pointer on it. And then the next stage, I think, is going to be to remove the upper frame. So remove its screws. Which leaves us with just an idler wheel, another idler, the sun tube, another idler. And then we have a double gear, always the larger teeth in the upper section, drives the moon arbor, and that is then the next section. I don't know if we can remove this double level idler, transfer wheel off the Mars section, and then we have this wheel, which is clutch driven. That's contained between these two plates, so that'll stay. And then that tree lies on this next plate, so that's the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sections. Then we have a cock. That may enable us to remove this 3-wheel unit, and we can remove the wheel there, and then we're back to what's between the plates. So again, should be no reason why. That's loose. Loose. There's all this. So we've been retained by the center here. Most probably. As in most cases, if you find it's impossible to proceed further, just keep removing whatever you can, and it'll generally become apparent what's holding up the whole procedure. So this is this drive here, and I suspect it needs to be, I suspect it's a tight press fit in this wheel. That's got a clutch on it, which is your safety to the inside. And we've removed there's a screw in this boss over there that's been removed. So I suspect we should be it's not producing any miracles. Let's do anything. So I think we'll adjourn until we can go back to our history and discover why this is not coming out. I suspect a press fit. We have a screw up the center. As I said, there's a screw up the center of this arbor, which is holding this top section in. So there we are. Release it, and I believe that is a clutch, if I remember. So we have everything coming quite easily. We have a screw and a washer and a spring. So that is the, as you can see, everything removes easily. So that's the clutch assembly, obviously sandwiched between there, and then we have the second frame removed, and then we have another wheel, that wheel, idler, and a double gear. And then we have a small cock and a small wheel. And then we have the last final section, which is that just slides off. And then that is a stationary gear fixed to the section, so that will come out there. And then we have a section here which is a screw fitting, and we have the access to the last frames. Is the frame, and then we have the final drive sleeve and the boss. Now we have a assemblies. Now we have a number of further sub-assemblies. That one, that one, that one. Those are all just single gears, or single or double gears. Here we have a, basically in essence, a cannon pinion, which is separated like that. And then we have just pillars and screws, and we have a center bearing and its. So that's the main units of the center section of the Tellurion. Thank you.